In this video, I'll show you how to enable quick response during phone call on Android phone. So if you want to send a quick response after a phone call, then here's how you can actually enable this feature. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to enable the quick response, you just need to go ahead and open up the phone application from your Android phone. And from the phone homepage, go and tap on this three-dot line at the top left and then tap on settings here. Now once you're here inside the settings, you just need to scroll down and here you get the quick responses. You just need to tap on this and it is currently turned off, so you just need to enable this feature. Here it says show us button for ending calls and sending messages, and here we get to see all the quick responses, so you can individually set this or you can even edit the text from here. So I'm going to keep it default and you can easily send this quick response from here as well. And this is how you can enable the quick responses after the call on Android phone. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.